Melly! Happy 18th birthday! I hope, well, I'm sure, I'm sure, you will have a really great day. Enjoy it. Make it better than mine. And eat a really big piece from your yummy cake for me. Yeah. Cake. My birthday cake was very good. It was a white chocolate cheesecake. Very yummy. Yeah, and when we are back in Germany, then we can make party non-stop. Yeah, you are 18. I'm 18. We are both 18. That's so cool. I love you so much. I hope you know it. Do you? I hope it. Yeah. I miss you so much. Have a nice day. Celebrate it or have fun with Ailey or make what you want. I miss you so much. Bye.